Hello guys, welcome to my channel Neetcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to use voice typing in Google Slide. Okay, so you can see I have opened one Google Slide here and I will show you how you can use the voice typing and what is the features you can use in. Okay, so I just minimize it. Okay, so I just add the new slide here. Okay, and if you want to add the voice, just go to the tools and here you can use the voice typing speaker. So this one small pop-up window will open and now you have to you have to click to speak. Okay, so you have to select the language from here. Okay, so there is a many language you can use. I just use this English United States and I can write here with speaking. Okay, so whatever I speak it will be right here automatically. It's like the voice typing. So click on it, then it will be read. Now whatever I saying it will be typed here automatically, but it is not correctly type every words. You can edit any word that you think which is wrong typed. Okay, so if you want to stop it, just click on it, it will be stopped. Now you can see whatever I say it is all type here. You can just edit like anything from here. Now you can copy it to your window, or you can. Okay, so this is for when you present your slide to others, then whatever you talk it will be add here automatically and it will be saved and you will see again what you talk while you're presenting. Okay, so this is useful for if you want to record your presentation voice. Okay, so what you had said while presentation, so it will be add here and you can check what you have said on while presentation. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.